Hey guys, I am posting a little bit early this week just so if you finish your NWEA test, you can get started on some of your schoolwork. Everything is still due at 11:59 on Tuesday, so we're back to normal now. You'll notice that you're going to do your 4.7 video notes that's on Schoology. Then you will do your 4.7 Big Ideas homework, so that's on Big Ideas, and then you'll post your work to Schoology. There's about 5 or 6 problems on that. And then you do have a matching Google Slides assignment, and there is a video in the folder explaining how to do that. So when we go through our folder, we have our video notes, we have that showing work page. Here's that video explaining how to do the assignment, and then here is that matching Google Slides assignment. All of these are for a grade, so make sure that you get those all turned in. These are going to be some of the first few grades of our quarter 3. So if you have any questions or you need some help, please email me, or you can go to one of my Zoom times. My link is up at the top of our agenda, and I can meet with you there and we can go over it. So if you have any questions, just let me know, reach out. But I'm going to let you get started on your school stuff.